Student, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss very important question already which is asked in board examination. Question number 15 of exercise 6.3. Find the equation of tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0 and perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 30. Given curve is this. Question is that how you can solve the question. So since in the question given that the equation of tangent is parallel to the line, so firstly differentiate them, we get the slope of the curve and with the help of minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y we get a slope of line and both slope equate them, we get the value of x and putting the value of x in given curve we get the value of y, then putting the value of x1 y1 in the given equation of tangent y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, we get the required solution. Student, let us try to solve. Given curve is this, differentiating with respect to x we get dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. This is the equation number first. And given line is 2x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Slope of the line is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y is equal to coefficient of x is 2 and y is minus 1. This is 2. Since line and curve, since slope of line and curve both are parallel, so that क्या करें, दोनों स्लोप को इक्वेट करा दें. तो 2x minus 2 is equal to 2, 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 by 2 means 2. It means what? X is equal to 2. So putting the value of x in given curve, putting the value of x in given curve, what we get? Y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. Both are cancelled. Remaining what? Y is equal to 7. Hence, points are 2, 7, so that equation of tangent at 2, 7 y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, y minus 7 is equal to 2 x minus 2, y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4. It means what? x minus y plus 7 minus 4 it means what? 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. It means 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, which is the required tangent. 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, which is the required tangent, student. That 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, required equation of tangent. Next, if you want to find, this is parallel to the line, perpendicular to the line, differentiate them, same thing, and with the help of this formula we can find the tangent, and this is slope is perpendicular to this, so minus 1 by m, and equating the point we get the value of x, and putting the value of x we get the value of y. So next, this is the first part, student. Second part is that इसमें हम आपको बताते हैं कि कैसे जो है आप इसको इक्वेट करेंगे. गिवन लाइन इज सेकेंड पार्ट. लाइन इज 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. The slope of the line, is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. coefficient of x क्या है? minus 15 upon 5. This is what? 3. So since slope is perpendicular to the line, slope is perpendicular to the tangent, so that what? Slope is equal to minus 1 by m, it means minus 1 by 3. According to the condition, according to the question, 2x minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Cross multiplied them. 3 2 is 6x, minus 6 is equal to minus 1. 6x is equal to minus 1 plus 6. It means 6x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 by 6. Putting the value of x in given curve, we get the value of y. So putting the value of x in curve y is equal to 5 by 6, 25 by 36 minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. It means what? 36 is the LCM, 25 minus 6 10 60 plus 250. And the 200 what? 277 minus 60 by 36 is equal to 217 by 36. Hence point 217 by 36 and 5 by 6। अब क्या करेंगे, इक्वेशन ऑफ हम निकाल लेंगे। व्हाट? इक्वेशन ऑफ इक्वेशन निकाल लेंगे, पुट कर देंगे y माइनस वाई वन इज इक्वल टू एम एक्स माइनस एक्स वन। इस पॉइंट पे आप स्टूडेंट यू कैन इजिली सॉल्व इट, डू योर सेल्फ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 16। So that the tangent to the curve, given curve is y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the point x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2, at the points x is equal to 2 and minus 2 are parallel। ये हमको प्रूफ करना है स्टूडेंट। तो हाउ यू कैन सॉल्व दैट? डिफरेंशिएट करें, टेंजेंट निकालें दोनों पॉइंट पर, और इफ बोथ टेंजेंट आर सेम देन यू कैन से दैट this is parallel। differentiating one with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to 21x square and dy dx at x is equal to 2 is equal to 21 into 2 square is equal to 84 and dy dx at x is equal to minus 2, 21 into minus 2 का whole square is equal to 21 into 4 is equal to 84। Since both tangent are equal, so that this is parallel to each other। दोनों एक दूसरे के पैरेलल हैं, hence prove this। Next question, find the points on the curve y is equal to x cube, given है। Question number 17, find the points on the curve y is equal to x cube at which the slope of tangent is equal to the y coordinates, at which the slope of the tangent which is slope of tangent is equal to y coordinates। तो फाइंड द पॉइंट्स निकालने हैं स्टूडेंट। फाइंड द पॉइंट्स ऑन द कर्व, डिफरेंशिएट देम। गिवन कर्व इज y is equal to x cube, differentiating with respect to x we get। अब हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट कर दें और इक्वल है तो y कोऑर्डिनेट पे इक्वल करा दें, तो dy by dx is equal to 3x square। Since slope of tangent is equal to y coordinates, so that slope of the tangent 3x square is equal to x cube। It means x cube minus 3x square is equal to 0, x square is common, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x square is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0, and x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3। When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0, q is equal to 0। When x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3, q is equal to 20। Hence required points are 0, 0 and 3, 27। This is your answer, student। 0, 0 and 3, 27। Thank you, student।